There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Guys, kagabi may mga na-setup na upuan sa lugar na to para sa possible na grand opening ng Esplanade. Ito guys, nasimentohan na po ang hagdanan at ang sahig papunta sa Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Hindi na mahihirapan ang mga turista ang pumunta dito sa lugar na to. Sana nga lang lagyan nila ng bubog to para pagtawid ng mga turista hindi sila mababasa. Let's just wait for further developments sa area na to, kung anong gagawin pa nila.
Let's wait and so yung CR na
so dito naman po yung CR ng babae. So nakikita nyo naman gawa na, partly nagagawa na siya. Yung mga tubo na install na.
Yan, so nilalagyan na rin po nila ng tiles.
And also may tiles na. Sir, may Poso Negro na to.
Sa labas.
Sa labas meron na. Yan ang meron maganda.
Fully finished na tong area na to.
May Poso Negro na sa lugar na to.
Pasilip muna tayo dito sa CR ng pambabae.
Salamat po, sir. Taga saan po kayo? Kayo. Tondo? Shoutout niyo naman yun sa Tondo.
Shoutout yan kay Lomi.
Ayun. O baka si ate may shoutout din.